How to fix the Instagram story there was a problem with your request. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you have this problem to your Instagram when you try to log in, then that means a few things. So the first one is that your username or your password is incorrect. So make sure that you type in your correct username and password and try again. Another thing to do if you still get this error, even though you added your correct Instagram password and username, or if you don't know your password, you can go to your browser, your favorite browser, and search for Instagram.com, and you can try to log in right there and see what happens. So if after that it still doesn't work, you can go to your settings. Then from here you can scroll down and go to apps, and then here you can scroll down until you find your Instagram app, or you can just search for Instagram by clicking on the search icon from the right top corner. Click on the Instagram app and then go to storage, and here you can clear the data in the cache at the bottom of the page. After that, you can also uninstall your app if it still doesn't work. So click on the uninstall button from the bottom of the page right here, or you can just go to your Google Play or App Store and uninstall it from there and reinstall it. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.